Winter storm warning. The Ides of March and the week after, this great hinge of the seasons. I'm on my hands and knees, the sun on my back, and the windless grace of Colorado morning, measuring the daffodil shoots. A few inches high now, but several new, a full 20 or so to follow. The daybreak chorus of house finches, chickadees, and dark-eyed juncos, like the approaching hum of day visitors to the park. Motorcycle boys along the dams, swells almost imperceptibly. We spent the whole of winter waiting, and now the stork's bill is here. The dandelion's rugged rosette, they'll overtake us soon. Too many images to catch. We might as well gather all the falling snow. And the weather report says it's coming. The wind picks up by 5, the brooding cloud, and then the pale, insidious skin of the sky above the foothills, the coughing of the pines in the depth of the night. 8 inches, they say, maybe more. Shelter in place, avoid travel, stay off the interstate. I take up my spot at the south window then, where I can see the daffodils before the snow comes and covers their height 3 or 4 times deep. And there they'll sit, jacketed with cold, quiet as death, their green mouths smug and smiling.